awesome night.
Oh, more over this way now. What the hell? Love you. Ice cream. And Jerry's chocolate flip. That'll be my new flavor. Need some help?
I do.
Oh yeah.
A lot of
Special help.
My boys, the comedians.
Hey, throw your arms up. Quick. Huh? Not bad.
Well, he's the only ones out here at this point. Awesome night. I mean, between Mother Nature
It's an adult medium.
and a couple people doing fireworks, we're loving. My boys are clowning around.
Hi. How's that light working out for you in the dark?
Alright, waiting for a little bit more of a display.